In today's video, I'm going to present my list of 3 eco-friendly laundry detergents available in the Indian market. Hey everyone, my name is Devki and welcome to Dee's Planet. Take any of your favorite laundry detergents available commercially in the Indian market and try to find the list of ingredients printed on its label. You'll be shocked to know no such list exists on any of the popular brands. Sounds strange, right? But it's true. A common excuse given by manufacturers is that they are protecting their secret formulations from rivals. Another excuse is that there is lack of space on the packaging to print the list of the entire ingredients along with their long chemical names. Plus, while doing research for this particular episode, I found out that manufacturers in India are not exactly compelled by law to disclose their entire list of ingredients on the labels of home care products. Now you must be wondering, why am I so obsessed with knowing this list of ingredients? Well, for the simple reason that as consumers, I think it is our right to know what exactly goes in the making of our home care products. It is a well-known fact that most of the commercially available laundry detergents, whether powder or liquid, contain chemical ingredients. And when we flush the used water down our drains, we are contaminating the groundwater. And when we wear such clothes, these chemicals may actually seep into our skin. And once these chemical ingredients enter our system, they can wreak havoc. These chemicals can disrupt the balance of your gut's microbiome. An unbalanced gut has been linked with serious issues such as digestive problems, diabetes, acne, and a weakened immune system. That is why even if you are not exactly eating your laundry detergent, you need to be aware that ingredients in your laundry detergent could be impacting your health in some way. And that is how my quest for a sustainable and eco-friendly laundry detergent began. According to me, for any laundry detergent to be qualified as an eco-friendly product, it must meet 3 basic criteria. Criteria number 1, the complete list of ingredients has to be printed clearly on the label and there should be absolutely no chemical ingredients present in the formulation. Number 2, the after wash water has to be non-toxic and the product has to be 100% biodegradable. Criteria number 3, the product packaging must be sustainable. In today's video, I am going to present my list of 3 eco-friendly sustainable laundry detergents available in the Indian market. And let me tell you, this video is not sponsored and the opinions expressed are solely my own based on my own personal experience of having used these products. All these products can be used either in the washing machine or for hand wash. I shall also be providing Amazon affiliate links in the description box below so that if you are interested, you can make a purchase. So without wasting any more time, let's directly dive in. My number 1 product on the list is Coco Gusto All Natural Laundry Detergent. This is a laundry detergent powder and it comes in 3 flavors: Ocean Breeze, Unscented and Spa Day. And here I have the Ocean Breeze. This is sold for rupees 350 for a 1 kg pack. So let's review Coco Gusto on the 3 criteria. Yes, the complete list of ingredients is printed on the label. The label says what's inside: certified organic coconut and other oil soap base, plant-based ingredients, natural minerals and antimicrobial essential oil blend. The label also states that this detergent is free of sulfates, parabens, glycols, petrochemicals, phosphates, brighteners, synthetics and all the other things that are bad for you, your loved ones and the planet. Yes, criteria 1 is satisfied. This particular product contains absolutely no chemical based ingredients. answer to this is also a yes. The label clearly states it's a 100% non-toxic and biodegradable product. It is also certified vegan. It's not tested on animals. So criteria 2 is satisfied too. Coco Custo is sold in these tin cans. Tin is a metal, so this can be easily recycled. You can give it to your kabadi wala and he will give you a good recycling value since this is metal. The actual product comes in a paper bag inside this tin can, and the good part is the refills are also sold in such paper bags. So this particular paper packaging can easily be composted. So only the first time you will have to buy the product in this tin can, and for your subsequent refills you will just get them in these paper bags. So I think the product satisfies my criteria 3 because it is 100% sustainable. I have been using Coco Custo for more than a year now and I absolutely love the product. When you wash your clothes with Coco Custo, the clothes smell fresh and they are also soft, and the powder does not itch your hands if you're doing a hand wash, which the normal chemical detergents do. It is also very effective in cleaning your laundry and removing the stains. And this is what it looks like. The next product on my list is Wild Ideas laundry powder. This is priced at rupees 220 for a 500 gram pack. So let's review this product on the 3 criteria. The entire list of ingredients is printed on the label, and actually there is only a single ingredient, which is soap nut or soap berries. So as you know, soap nut is the fruit of the soap nut tree or the rita tree, and soap nuts were traditionally used in the Indian subcontinent for their cleaning property because they release something called as a saponin. So this particular detergent looks like this. It's actually the powder of the soap nut. So this product is 100% natural. It does not even contain any artificial fragrance. So criteria 1 is satisfied. Yes, this criteria is also met. The packet clearly states that it's a 100% natural product, and since it's a powder of a fruit, it is obviously 100% biodegradable. Again, yes, this criteria is also satisfied. The product is sold in this cardboard packaging which you can easily compost, and the actual product comes in a plastic bag inside which can be recycled, and the product also comes with this small bag. So when you wash your laundry using Wild Ideas laundry detergent in a washing machine, you have to add this product inside this small cotton bag and fill the product inside, tie the mouth and put this bag along with your laundry. And once your washing cycle is over, you need to open this bag and remove the residue and empty it. When you wash your clothes in a bucket wash, you have to directly add the laundry detergent. All these instructions are clearly mentioned on the label. The laundry does not have that fresh smell which we are so used to when we use the regular detergents. I also found that this product has a better efficacy when we use it in a washing machine in a warm cycle. So I have a washing machine which does not have a hot water cycle, and I found that it wasn't as effective in cleaning. Also, after every wash, you need to make sure that you remember to empty the contents of this little bag, because if you do forget, then it can actually catch fungus and it can smell really bad. And that's what happened one time. Because this is such a small little bag, it got mixed up with my laundry and I completely forgot to remove it and empty it. This product does not lather at all. That was something of a concern for me. Of course, it does the washing, but we are so conditioned to see our laundry detergents creating that lather. So this was something which was a little unusual for me. But if that's fine with you, then this should be okay. However, the good part is that this brand Wild Ideas is manufactured by disadvantaged rural women in Tamil Nadu. So when we purchase any of their products, we are actually helping these rural women in a way. Third and the last product on my list is Bubble Nut Wash Liquid Detergent. 1 liter bottle is priced at Rs 349 and it's also sold as a 5 liter bulk bottle priced at 1499. So now let's review this product on our 3 criteria. The answer to that is yes, the entire list is clearly printed on the label, and no, it does not contain any chemical ingredients. Let me read out the contents of this liquid detergent. It contains saponin extract from soap nut, aqua, essential oil, gum, coconut derived cleanser and preservatives. The label also clearly states that it is free from SLS or sodium lauryl sulfate, SLES, sulfates, phosphates, artificial fragrance, color, bleach and optical brighteners. Yes, the product meets our criteria 1. Yes, the label clearly states that it is a non-polluting product, and I also went on their website and this is what I found. The after wash water is fully biodegradable and non-toxic and can even be used to water plants. Criteria 2 is satisfied. Well, this product is sold in a plastic bottle, but I think that's fine considering that this is a liquid detergent, so plastic may be the best option. So I actually wrote to the manufacturers of Bubble Nut Wash telling them about this concern of mine. So they have actually agreed to accept the empty bottles and refill them after sanitizing them. I would also suggest that instead of buying such 1 liter bottles, it would be better if we buy bulk bottles of 5 liters, because that way we would be producing much lesser plastic waste. From the website of Bubble Nut Wash, I also found that the brand Bubble Nut Wash helps underprivileged communities and groups. So by buying this product, we are also actually helping these underprivileged communities. I love the product. I have been using it for quite some time now. I personally prefer liquid detergents to the detergent powders because I just feel that the liquid detergents mix more evenly. So maybe that's why I'm a little more biased towards this. This product may not lather as much as a commercial detergent, but it does the job well. The laundry smells fresh. It is able to remove the stains. If you have a very heavily stained piece of clothing, I would suggest that you add more of this laundry detergent or use the soap bar to actually scrub it. Overall, it's a very good and effective laundry detergent in my opinion. So that's it for today, guys. I do hope you liked today's video and you found it useful. If you would like to purchase any of the products which I have spoken about today, then you will find the links in the description box below. So do remember to check it out. Let me repeat again, this video is not sponsored by any of the brands that I spoke about. This is completely my personal experience, and I just wanted to give you a list of eco-friendly laundry detergents available in the Indian markets today. Like always, please remember to like, share and subscribe to Dee's Planet if you haven't already done so. And until next time, bye-bye.